Hello everyone. Today we would be completing the rest of the chapter which was left as we studied about water dance part 1 and part 2. Today we would be completing the activities. So first we would take activity 7. Now activity 7 tells us about personification. What is personification? Personification is a kind of figure of speech. So when you give a human quality to any of the objects, okay, that time that thing is called personification. For example, in this we have I tumble down. Now in this I means they're talking about water tumbles down, so it is given a human quality. The next is I blind the sky with lightning. So even in this we have personification. Next we have is identify the lines in the poem in which personification is used. So this you have to do on your own. Activity 8, adjectives are describing words used to give more meaning to a noun. Give 5 adjectives you would associate with the following words. The first one is done for you. So in activity 8, you very well know what are adjectives, right? So we need to complete the 5 words. First one is already given, mother. Now you need to describe what kind of mother you have. Like you need to describe mother. So loving mother, gentle mother, strict mother, good mother, working mother. Next is your friend. Now friend, what kind of friend do you have? Your friend like best friend, then good friend, close friend, like that. You need to complete all the 5 of them. Next is activity 9, adding er to an adjective makes it a comparative adjective. Sometimes the adjective changes its spellings when you add er. So now examples are given. Comparative form is when you add er to any of the object or a word. For example, heavy. Heavy becomes heavier. Okay? Like we have studied before, heavy, heavier, heaviest. Dark, darker, darkest. So in this we would just do the er thing. Okay? Use different comparative adjectives to form sentences of your own like this. Now you need to make your own sentence. For example, I can give you one sentence. Dash is dasher than dash. So for example, Ria is taller than Sumit. Example. Okay? So this is how you can make your own sentence. Next, activity 5, I would be giving you the answer in the last clip, which you can note it down in your textbook as well as notebook. Activity 6 would be your homework because it is very easy. Identify me from my description. Okay, so you need to identify all the words which is given down in the bracket from them. The last one is activity 10. Now activity 10 tells us about our country is blessed with varied landscapes. India has mountains, valleys, waterfalls, deserts, rivers and lakes. Write a paragraph describing your favorite landscape. Okay, so from any of the above you can write about mountains, valleys, waterfalls, anything, whatever you like. Okay, you might have seen lakes, rivers. You can write about any one river. For example, Sabarmati River. Sabarmati River is in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. It is a part of Gujarat. It has a very big dam with it. Anything you can describe it with anything. Just describe it properly and write in your own words. So here we would end our chapter. I hope you would all do these activities in your book. Activity 5 is to be done in the textbook as well as notebook. Activity 7 you need to do in textbook. Activity 8 in textbook as well as notebook. Activity 9 also in notebook. And activity 10 only in your textbook. So here we end our chapter 1, unit 1. Thank you very much.